a lighting plot. So here we are in Vectorworks, and I'm going to walk you through how to create a lighting plot. Last week we looked at creating a set, so in class, and some of you missed how to do the lighting plot, so that's what I'm going to do today. So a couple of quick things that I want to remind you of is make sure that you are in the Spotlight workspace. So that's under Tools, Workspaces, down here Spotlight. You don't want to be in any of the others. What that does is give you access to the Spotlight tool set down here. The other thing that you want to make sure you have are some palettes that we're going to be working with. So the Object Info palette and the Navigation palette are the ones that you want, as well as the Basic and tool sets. Make sure that those are checked. So if you accidentally delete one of those or close them, you can find that again under Window, Palettes, and Object Info, and the Navigation one are the one that we're going to be working with today. So we want to work on the lighting plot layer. If you don't have a lighting plot layer, you can create a new one by right-clicking and click New and call it Lighting Plot. And that's what we're going to be working on. The other thing that we're going to do is kind of minimize some of the things that we're seeing on the workspace here. So I might just get rid of my masking right now by clicking the invisible tab to the masking. I want to make sure that I keep the grid, but I want to make sure that I have a check mark beside the lighting plot. That shows me that that's the layer that I'm currently working on. So now to create a light, or to drop in a light, it's down here in the Spotlight tool set. So it looks like a little Fresnel there. And up at the very top is the Lighting Instrument tool. And if I hover above it, it says Inserts an Intelligent Lighting Instrument Object. That's what we want to do. Now, if I just move my mouse cursor over into the space, you can see how I've got a box or a light kind of temporarily there. And if yours doesn't look like a light, don't worry. I'm going to show you how to change it. Up here at the top is the lighting instrument symbol. So before you click anything, if you just move your mouse cursor from this point over into the space, before you drop anything or click anything, you can click on this and change the light or move it to the one that you're looking for. Now, the lights that we have at Labo are the ETC color source, and its color is spelled the American way, S-O-U-R-C-E. So if you do a search for that, it should pop up with some of your libraries here. And I want to choose the 26-degree color source. Let's say for some reason you don't have that particular library and it's not giving you an option to download it. You could go to the Vectorworks website and download the libraries from there, and you can follow through the tutorials of the Vectorworks website to see how to do that. And so that you can find the ETC color source, because it's the LED lights that we have. So I'm going to double click on that, and then that brings up the instrument that I'm working with. Now, if you click once, you'll see that I have the ability to rotate the light. And then if I click again, it will drop it in place. Now, it will, in my particular one, because I've tried to download something that's already on here, it's saying, hey, do you want to replace it? I'm saying, don't import this symbol definition. Just use the existing one. I don't need to make another copy of it. So what that does has now dropped a light. Now I've